Breaking. Man who refused iPhone updates since 2012 declared last survivor. New York. Apple officials have located Bob Wilkins, the only man in America still using an iPhone 4S on iOS 6. Bob says he hasn't updated because the phone still rings sometimes. His weather app still shows temperatures from 2013. Apple plans to preserve the device in a museum labeled Prehistoric Tech. Man tries to deep fry turkey in dishwasher, creates indoor fireworks show. Texas. I was just trying to multitask, said Joe Bell after attempting to fry a whole turkey in his dishwasher. The resulting explosion launched the bird through the kitchen wall and into a neighbor's backyard barbecue, where it was rated shockingly delicious. Californians riot after coffee shop removes extra vibe option from menu. Los Angeles, chaos erupted when a trendy cafe removed almond milk frothed with Taylor Swift songs from their latte options. Protesters chanted, "No vibes, no peace." One woman cried, "How am I supposed to journal my feelings now?" Dog runs for mayor in Oregon, wins debate by wagging tail. Portland, a golden retriever named Max is leading in local mayoral polls after promising more playtime and zero leash laws. Voters claim Max is the most trustworthy candidate we've ever seen, citing his refusal to lie, bark during speeches, or accept lobbyist treats. Confusion Chicago. It's got tomato sauce and veggies, so it counts, said Rick, before a nutritionist gently crushed his dreams. Rick is now in therapy, working through the trauma of realizing that cheese and pepperoni don't qualify as daily greens. New study. 98% of Americans agree pizza should be an official wedding meal. A recent survey reveals that the vast majority of Americans support pizza as a staple at weddings. One respondent said, "If there's no pepperoni at your reception, we're not friends." Another added, "Pizza is love. Pizza is forever."